It will be over soon. The balance of the universe will be established and no one can stop me. Ahem. And no one can stop me. Sammy, it's your part.
Sue, I can't be a part of this. It's disrespectful to the legendary hero who defeated Thanos.
But it's you who asked to play the low-budget version of the battle between Thanos and Iron Man.
And then I see this. No, we have to redo everything.
Okay, you'll get a real Iron Man, but you should help.
I'm on it.
Hi guys, are there any Marvel fans here? Give a thumbs up if you're in.
Sue, you forgot to take the Infinity Glove off.
Whoops, my mistake. Here we go, the most harmless snap with the Infinity Glove. So today we're gonna make Iron Man full body armor.
And the most iconic one from the first movie.
First, let's use scissors to cut out the top part of a soda can.
Red soda cans fit the best, but we will still paint them later.
Sammy, don't reveal everything or it won't be interesting to watch. Nice, we don't need the top anymore.
Good throw, Susan.
By the way, Sam, do you know how many suits of armor Tony Stark had?
I'd say a lot. Just kidding. 61 different suits in the comics.
Not bad. And in the movies, he made a bit more. 85 suits of armor in total.
Shiver me chatters! And I spent a whole night just to draw this paper template!
Being a billionaire and having a brilliant mind has its perks, so keep learning, guys. Now we need to cut out the shape of the helmet using this template. Done!
Let's move to the next stage. It's a very important step. Define all the future creases using a pen. Don't be afraid to press harder.
Sammy's right. And then just peel the paper template off. Ta-da! Feeling like Tony Stark a bit?
Didn't I say that we'll paint all the pieces? Let's get started. It'll take a second. All done, Sue, as promised. We're moving fast.
Actually, Tony spent a little over 2 months making the first suits.
No way! We have to speed up right now or Thanos will win the battle by default!
Relax, Sammy, we're on the right track. Let's fold this side piece.
And we'll make a gold face mask! Woohoo! Can't wait to see that!
The very first Iron Man suit was actually gray, but everybody knows the red and gold one. Let's put these pieces together. And we finished the main part of the helmet. Have something for me, Jarvis?
Excuse me, Susan. Do I look like artificial intelligence?
Sorry, Sammy, I got too much into character. This gold piece looks amazing. Let's fold the edges to shape it.
Should we find Double S Industries, guys? Give a thumbs up if you agree.
Double S stands for Sue and Sam, I suppose. Sounds not bad at all. Let's cover these eye slots with the silver piece. Sammy, do you have the favorite Iron Man suit?
The one that turned into a flying sports car. I almost fell off the bed reading about it.
Check this out, guys. I prepared the last pieces for the helmet. Let's place these pads on the sides of the helmet. And these small decorative pieces. And now we put the red and gold pieces together, like this.
Holy cannoli, we made it! The main suit will be next. Don't miss anything.
Guys, check out what I have here. Do you know which part of the suit we'll make next?
We're moving from head to toes, guys. It's easy.
It's not a secret anymore, so yeah, we're making the neck part.
And it has a hidden element. The paper joint looks like a hammer.
Yeah, let's call it a T-joint. This way, parts of our suits will be able to rotate and turn. Cool, huh?
Iron Man will be able to see and repel all of Thanos' attacks. Hey, where are you taking it?
To the neck part, of course. The battle of the century will take place one way or another.
Whoa, it's happening! Guys, don't miss a second!
Sammy, you're so into it. No wonder Iron Man is your favorite Marvel superhero.
Sure, if I could, I'd be Iron Slime! What a dream!
I can imagine that. You and Tony Stark would be a great team in another Marvel universe. Guys, who would you like the most, Iron Man or Iron Slime?
Want to support me? Then just subscribe to our channel!
Check out these armor plates, guys. They look awesome, right? Let's make the other side too. Perfect.
Shiver me cheddars! It actually looks like a wing!
Yeah, Iron Man suits have different modifications. One of them, by the way, was an aqua suit. And though this piece looks like a wing, it's actually a shoulder plate.
Holy cannoli! I feel like I can defeat Thanos by myself now!
Oh, Sammy, you'd be a perfect member of the Avengers. But let's fold the shoulder piece for now. And it's done! Let's move further. Wow! These are nice torso plates! Sammy, I think you could join Stark Industries' engineering team.
I love that! Do they have cookies and snacks for workers?
Anything you want. Since Tony Stark was modeled after the famous magnate Howard Hughes…
Oh no! We forgot a palladium reactor!
Stop the panic, Sammy! I already prepared everything. All we need to do is connect the reactor with this piece.
Come on, Sue, spare me! Does it work?
Just a few seconds and we'll see. Have a look.
No way! What if it doesn't work?
Ta-da! It does work!
I never doubted you, Susan. The day is saved. Let's move on. Do you need anything, Miss Susan?
Let's make the arms next. I need…
Say no more. I'm at your service.
Thanks, Sammy. Why are you so official, by the way?
I want to be like Jarvis, Sue. Always helpful and polite.
Okay, but why are you wearing a bow tie?
In the comics, Jarvis was actually Stark's butler. Read them, guys. It's worth your time.
Wow, Sammy, you're a true fan. You know so many details. I should learn from you.
And I'm an amazing crafter. Don't forget, it's the most important thing.
Got it. Okay, seems like this arm is almost ready.
But it's not the end. Here's the wrist, Sue.
Sammy, this looks awesome. Great job.
The left arm is finished too.
Cool. That's exactly what I needed. Let's not forget about the decor too. Hop? Guys, let's continue. Only the legs and the hip part are left.
Speaking of legs, here.
Sammy thought through all the tiny details here. I love these gold plates.
And it's an eco-friendly craft. We reuse soda cans and create this awesome Iron Man suit.
Guys, we're in the finish line. Do your best.
Uh-oh, it seems like I made the pieces and forgot how to join them.
Don't worry, Sammy. I'll help you in a moment.
Hey, I remembered. No need to, I'll be fine.
Oh, Sammy, you're the best. I'm looking for your comeback.
It's finished, Susan. Can I put it on its place?
Sure, it's your turn, Sammy.
Okay. Here you go. Hey, Sue, we forgot about the knee pads. Safety first.
Sammy, you're totally right. Let's join the right leg with the body using paper joints.
Hey guys, you've been waiting for so long. Let's meet our superhero.
Finally, I've been waiting for you, Stark.
You've already lost. Wanna fight? You get a fight.
You're strong, but I just have to snap and everything you love will disappear. Hey, why isn't it working?
'Cause low budget has never helped win the battle. Watch out!
No!
The outcome of the battle was predetermined.
Next time, I want to be a superhero too.
Guys, do you want more Avengers-themed crafts? Give this video a thumbs up.
And subscribe to our channel. See ya!